wish you a Merry Christmas. Let's call names.
Gift time.
Chanel find a gift that really
Mommy, open it.
last.
Call name.
Well, you not sort them out then.
Well, no one not go call. Eh.
Call
Then I
name.
go call?
No.
Who for this? Mine?
Open it.
I want me to see it. Oh,
Guys, Christmas.
we need glass.
Breakfast. Some ackee and saltfish
Brother,
with
this is
chocolate tea and fried breadfruit. And some hot oil. Who want hot oil? Yeah.
last I get you.
Me last, I get gift.
Alright.
Really?
Mommy, I'm
7.
professional, okay? Put it aside.
So can I start go in same time?
I wanna wish you a Merry
Son.
Christmas.
You got 2 gifts.
That's who's?
Again. Dutchess.
Who put egg in? Daniel put egg in?
Daniel won. I Chanel near the funny.
Daniel put egg in?
You can't see.
Anyways.
But
so
we
Daniel
need glasses.
from Mama.
We need it too, cause at night I'm
Mika.
we use.
Malika from Mommy. Alright.
Wonder what this.
This is
My
mine
gift
from Mama.
already.
Part of 1 box.
Part of our
Seven.
box.
From Uncle.
The video I got cut.
Alright.
Oh.
Let's see. Chevy from Mommy.
What? You got 3 already?
Dad from
Me a
Chanel.
lead. How much you have, Bam?
That's from me. That's
Two
from me.
you have?
Wait, that's from me. That's
2
from
you
me.
have?
That's from me.
Too wide.
To Mom from Mika.
How much you
Mommy.
have already? 2?
Chanel now.
Mom. Look there.
The punk box thing, you know. Jump out, you know.
Alright, let's see.
First gift.
My husband's wife.
First
Chanel.
gift.
Donna.
Let me get one time.
My
Get a
son.
knife, Bob.
Chevron. My son Chevron.
Put it down, son. I know my own this one.
Huh?
I know my pile.
I'm not gonna jump out that one. One box in there, gonna jump out.
Alright. Shell from Mom. Shell from Mom.
So, Shell, another gift from me.
You see?
Save it.
Saving pan as I give.
Best give this.
First gift.
Save money.
Chevron.
Another one from me.
Because
Me a lead. Every year I get the most gift.
From Mom.
Every year I got the most gift.
And Mommy.
Tadel, you don't like it?
This is mine from
You
my
better
mother.
take it.
Oh,
A fear
I
time.
love it.
Okay.
You better enjoy
Chanel
it.
from Donna.
Me a
My
lead.
wife.
How much you have, Bam? 3? What I give to? 4.
That's the second
We
gift.
know
Me
what
picking
this
this
is.
up, Maya.
That's the second gift.
This is
Who for
from
that?
Zales.
From who?
That's from me.
Ain't nobody else.
You know, see beloved on it.
God, we'll never buy it.
My beloved, you know who? Mommy, Daddy.
Who's this from? One more. Some of them something like
You
that.
will connect, yeah.
What is this?
House Connect.
Connect.
Yes.
I go like
Mom.
Hi, Chanel.
Mom.
Good.
You like that?
Yeah.
You see, I know what you
Let me
like,
see.
Malika.
What did you get?
Chevy from
That one
Chanel.
mine too.
Put it down.
Where?
It too short?
They're not coming out.
Yes.
No.
Put it right there,
Yeah.
sir.
Shiver.
Put it there, sir. Not my pile.
See you soon, the next one. 10, next one was 10.
Yeah, them stretch out after a little while.
From Chevy.
Yeah. I need to open my gift.
What is that? Shiver, no one ever catch it up.
No, cap.
That one you're for
My
cash?
cap can't fit in a
Sean.
small box.
What fear gift from me?
Cap.
I'm not not gift.
How do I put in there?
I two gift you have.
Or do I get Uncle B a surprise box gift? Why? What in there?
How much money this? Most money.
I shan't give that uncle.
But
Yeah.
not in there.
Oh my gosh.
You have it all now. It's something.
Stone.
Wow, Sean, I
Gift
love
card.
this. Is this an ankle?
No, it's a.
Where is it from my ankle?
Oh,
It's a massage piece.
Whoa,
That's
that's
money.
good.
That's
Massage
a
gift card.
spa gift card. Okay, you can either get a facial or a massage. It's up to
What?
you. Okay.
Waxing.
Going.
Yes.
Weird. Anywhere.
Sean, you go hard,
Oh,
Sean.
that one you can go anywhere.
You go crazy.
What? No
I
one spa.
don't know.
You go crazy,
Open
Sean.
your gifts. It's just what you want. I just have to.
Sean went crazy.
Okay. So let's see what this is, guys.
Over them, yeah.
You don't have name, but I'm here going up.
I'm open sparkle. The girl of that uncle. Tell me why I spa.
It's the same thing.
What else?
So my first
Facial
gift.
or massage.
It's a gift card. It's a massage gift card though.
Let me open my gift first.
I don't like how the
This is
camera looks.
from
Paper and mommy wants it.
It's a massage gift card.
to mommy from
I got it
Mel.
from my sister.
See this big box, guys.
I really need a massage, so this will come in handy.
Anyway, this is.
Okay.
Watch out.
Oh,
You know what? Chef Mamba.
My eye.
I really need a mommy get
Hey,
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Right about that.
gift number 2.
You know me we're lunchtime. Okay.
The video looks so dark.
Who them they from? Oh, really?
my mom.
Can love buy me headphone, but me need it though, cause me not none.
That's what I'm buying. I'm saying that.
This is from Chef.
Thank you, Sean.
Thank you, mom. Now we have also other festivals.
Okay, so my son buy me.
Wait, what my first gift though?
What I want is
Mommy!
Guess.
a guest wallet.
Mommy!
First.
Bro,
The dinner or graduation.
it's top.
Mommy!
So no come.
Mommy!
You know, don't hold me.
That's
Give me
yours.
that money.
Look at the slippers.
One, two.
This one big and this one thin.
What?
Two different slippers.
So my sister got me this.
And that's still the
This I gonna come in handy because when I play my game, I can do this.
Alright, let me see what the
Guys.
color.
I didn't know this.
I use a earphone, even though I prefer the earphones, but this will be better for like music and sound.
A two color.
China,
color?
open the gift that I'm buying.
I can hold me tip and strap in there.
Oh, alright.
No.
Family, strength, love.
We need one dress now. Look how my brother got me.
Put it in there, yes. This is the gift that I got her. My
Small,
third
yeah?
gift.
Oh,
Where did you got one?
That I miss.
So I got a cologne.
It's a from me, you see?
I guess she think I'm stink.
Oh.
She think I'm stink, so she got me a cologne.
why I put it in there? Look at that.
I want
Me
to
just a
smell
dig down
good,
in
yeah,
that butter
for
man
the
take
ladies. Another
Okay, she
gift.
get me an earring.
This one's from mom.
Oh, you do?
It's in there, car.
What?
What?
Yeah, but
Oh,
Oh, you don't use it at all.
use it for me to work.
Oh.
I say use our work. We just leave it right
Yeah.
What else was on there?
there.
Thank you, mom. Mommy got me a
from
watch.
mommy.
Huh?
Just shot.
Okay.
Who buy
This
your
is
bag?
also from Samoya, my daughter. Yes.
Yes, Mommy got me a watch.
Let me shut up.
A Rolex. Drip Rolex. No, it's not Rolex, but it looks cute. I like it. Business watch.
Shoes number 2. This is the Olivia Pope. I'm going.
For when I'm going on dates, you know?
Alright, do not catch Malika up on this.
Mommy, buy me this. The good girl.
You
How
want
much
done?
is it for this one? How much is it for this one?
You want me all done?
And you're a
Another gift from mom.
No, me did buy. Oh,
She
you
going
need to
crazy.
buy. Right.
I always get the most gifts.
Yeah.
I always get the most gifts. All the time.
But I have a new one or something.
Look what Malika got.
Olivia Pope, baby.
I lift up to something and look around at the look what it's underneath the bottom.
What is this Shana K get
Lift
me?
it, take it out, huh?
Oh wait, you think I
Take
go
it
give?
out. Take it out. Take
So,
it out.
mommy got me thumb
Look what's
top
on the bottom.
because she want me to go to the gym.
This is for
Mommy,
her foot.
this looks small
She's
though.
always complaining that her foot hurts in her.
I guess this is for massage my foot.
Yes, foot hurts. You walk on
Yes.
it or rub your foot on it.
And
So
another
tell you how it
tea. It's a regular tea.
Yeah, okay. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
I'm know by the action.
Mommy, again, this is mommy's 4th gift that she got for me. Mommy treat me so good.
Come, push your foot.
This is like the 4th gift.
Take off your socks.
You know, I said I should not record from my phone. Because your phone looks way better than the camera.
Thank you, sis.
The camera look dark. I mean, I show me over.
I want your camera in my video.
Maybe I never set the settings or something like that. And the lighting. So guys, sorry if
Mommy,
this
you open
video
that again for
is
me?
dark.
Yeah.
And I
You
just
open
woke
that
up,
again
as you
for
can
me?
notice.
Which one was gift?
I look bad.
Yeah, the card, the gift card.
Here, mommy.
Oh no, what is this? Cologne?
Yes, it's a cologne set.
So I got another cologne, but this is a set. What is this?
Different sample. This is from my
Balgari.
Jabba.
Balgari. I hope I pronounce it right.
daughter again,
Looks
Samoya.
good. This is the second cologne. I guess they think I'm stink, so they got me colognes. Hey, every year mommy get me a cologne. Every year. But that's good because I don't buy cologne, so I don't buy cologne, so yeah.
What's YouTube channel?
Oh yeah, watch it.
You should have put it up yet.
No, me want to put it up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mall shopping now.
She got me earrings, she got me necklace.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah, no, none.
So this is also from my daughter Malika. She got me Uggs. Watch ya.
I'm so tired of this.
Me hype. Me get slippers from MK. Talk to me.
Me not buy nothing. 5 mile. We buy everything.
Watch ya. Who
Yeah.
hype so?
So who's gonna clean up?
You.
Thank you
I got 3
guys.
more gifts.
Over that. John?
To Chevy from Uncle. Oh yes. So I got a
I
pants.
love my gift, guys. I love it
I
all.
got a jeans
Thank
from
you
Uncle.
so much. I really appreciate
Tonight we're
it.
having a black and
Christmas.
red get
Yes,
together,
forgive me.
and I don't have any black jeans, so this is gonna come in handy. I probably want one nice custom shoes. Me no want the shoes, yeah. Me no want that gift, yeah. She got me Uggs. Me no like Uggs. Me tired to tell her, say, don't get me no Uggs. And she got me Uggs.
I don't feel weird. Guys,
Me not
we
walk
have to
minute.
take any picture together,
But
and we have to do so.
me I go wear it though.
And the other one smell. Chanel got me.
I tell you.
It looks a size 10, we're a size 9.5. This is
You don't think that me and
That's why
you
I'm not
are-
buy the one film wear outside because I know him now wear it.
yeah. Me no like Uggs, no. So me not like Uggs, guys.
Okay, let's see what
Chanel
I
buy
get.
me 2 sets of
It's okay.
spray.
I will wear it. Thank you, Mel.
And 2.
Last but not least, to Shelby from Uncle. That's what I look sick, man, Uncle. Uncle got me this sweater.
What?
Yeah. Drip, drip.
You gonna go for
My
a
type
spa.
of things, them, you know.
Well,
Yeah, I love the
love
cartoon
you,
like teas
Mama.
and those type of stuff. So this is perfect for me.
Last year, that is
Uncle,
Mama.
thank you.
Spa.
Yeah, man, this is my type.
I'm never hear you saying go to spa.
Yeah, they like them sit there. I don't know already
I'm
still.
surprised until we didn't make
Thank
the
you,
apartment for you. Mika, we got to say, oh no, hell. But my
Is that
I
Ash?
know Julie.
Who's cleaning up?
Hungry.
Who's cleaning up?
Not me.
I can't stop.
Shine.
What's for breakfast?
Shine, you clean up.
Breakfast, guys.
Aki saltfish and chocolate tea.
So guys, these are all my gifts that I got. Got this. I love this sweater. I love this shirt. I love this watch that mom got me. Yeah, I think it's very sick for business, you know, or even a date. If you wanna take me on a date, I'll come fancy. Yeah, hook me up. I got this Uggs. I don't like Uggs, but I'll wear it though, you know. She know I don't like Uggs. I think she did this on purpose, but I'm gonna wear it anyway. Got this jeans. It's funny because I got a lot of jeans, but I don't have any black jeans, so this will come in handy. And got some rips on it too. Got this shirt, these graffiti shirts. I like these type of shirts. And that's why they got me this sweater, graffiti, because I like it too. I got some cologne, and I think I have another cologne. And I also got this headset for when I'm playing my game. So I game a lot, so this will come in handy. I don't have a headset, so this will be really good when I'm gaming. So thank you guys for all the gifts. I probably have more on the way from other people, but this is what my immediate family gave me. So I love them all, and I'm about to enjoy them. Merry Christmas to you all, and Happy New Year. I hope you guys enjoy your holidays. So